Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to view saved passwords on Firefox. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to another browser and download the Firefox browser from it, as it does not come with the Windows. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the middle of the screen, as you can see, we have the search box. We have it also in the top side of the screen. You can go and add some new tabs here, add shortcuts. And in the top right corner, we have these three lines where we have a lot of different settings. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and view saved passwords on Firefox. So first of all, click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner and click on passwords. As you can see, it is here. Then this will open the Firefox Lockwise or Firefox Password Manager page. If prompted, enter your device password or use biometric authentication to proceed. Browse through the list of saved logins and click on the entry you want to view. Click on the eye icon next to the password field to reveal the saved password. This will allow you to see the passwords you've saved in Firefox. Just make sure you're in the secure environment when accessing the information to keep your data safe. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.